If you are concerned about your privacy, delete these apps from your phone as soon as possible. Whenever we talk about privacy, Facebook comes to our mind. But don't worry, we are not talking about Facebook, although it is one of apps which collects our personal information. But since many of us aren't there quite yet, getting rid of the app is a solid first step. But watch out, smartphone users, there are some apps available on Google Play Store with malware and bloatware. And these apps can collect the data from your phone and share your personal information with third-party advertisers for money, which is why we have come up with this video. So let's talk about some of the most dangerous Android apps you should stay away from. UC browser was a popular mobile browser in India and still in China. However, cybersecurity analysts say that it does not adequately protect its data transmissions, which can leave your personal data at risk of being intercepted by hackers and intelligence agencies. So if you use UC browser, you will risk your privacy and security. UC browser was caught stealing private and personally identifiable data to an unknown server in China. This basically means that your browsing data is not secure while using UC browser. According to researchers, the browser uses weak cryptography and sometimes no encryption at all when it transmits keystrokes over the web. You can use Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, DuckDuckGo browser instead of UC browser. Don't be fooled into thinking this is a secure screen locker and is better than your phone's default locking feature. This has access to your screen and acquires all the permissions that are available from your location. It can then access your text messages and transmits information to third-party app developers and stores that have low security features in comparison to Google Play. Instead of Go Locker, you can use App Lock by SysTweak. App Lock fast app locker with fingerprint and password that secure your apps and private stuff in a single click. And it also doesn't ask for any unnecessary permissions. Clean Master that claims to be a junk file cleaner and performance booster for Android devices. The app not only needs tons of permissions, it actually tracks users, collects data, and allegedly misuses it for advertisement fraud. Same in the case with apps like DU Speed Booster or an antivirus app. While it promises antivirus protection and private browsing, the app is reported to record online browsing, searches, and the name of every Wi-Fi access point the device connects to. Alternatively, you can use Smartphone Cleaner app by SysTweak. It's an all-rounder app for Android devices. It helps in boosting and optimizing the performance of your Android phone. If you still own a flashlight app on your Android phone, then your personal data might be at high risk. Avast security researchers Luis Corons discovered these Android apps ask for an insane amount of unwanted permissions such as read contact lists, record audio, access location, answer phone calls, kill background processes, and more. Don't you think there is something fishy? Because why a simple flashlight app would need so many permissions? There are apps like LED Flashlight and Brightest Flashlight which steal your personal data and send it to foreign cyber criminals. So delete any such apps from your phone as soon as possible. Cam Scanner was also one of the popular apps, but it got banned in India. If you use Cam Scanner, you will probably need a replacement. Cybersecurity experts have found a malicious component installed in the app that acts as a Trojan downloader and keeps collecting infected files. Alternatively, you can use Adobe Scan and Photo Scan, which also works the same. Last but not the least, there is Smth. It's actually a cool little game app, but is harmful to your phone in ways that you might not have expected. The app uses a smartphone's built-in sensor to measure how high you can throw your phone. Yup, you need to throw your phone high in the air for the game to even work. You can install it at your own risk, but don't say we didn't warn you. So if you have any of these Android apps on your phone, uninstall them now and download a safer alternative instead. And if you know more apps like these, don't forget to share in the comments. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.